Checkpoint exercises for solving systems of equations algebraically. With problem number 1, we're given y equals 5x minus 4 and y equals 2x. We can substitute for one into the other for y. It doesn't matter which one. We'll go ahead and use 2x substituted into the first equation for y. So 2x equals 5x minus 4. Subtract 5x from both sides, negative 3x equals negative 4, so x equals 4/3. And then substitute that into our second equation, y equals 2 times 4/3, so y equals 8/3. So our solution is 4/3, 8/3. And you could again verify this by substituting both of those values into both equations and or by graphing to verify the solution. I have done so, and it is verified that this is the solution. Now our second problem is a little more complicated. We'll go ahead and solve for x in the second equation. X equals, subtract 3y from both sides, you get negative 3y plus 5. And then we'll substitute for that into our first equation. So 4 times negative 3y plus 5 minus 3y equals 10. Negative 12y plus 20 minus 3y equals 10. Subtract 20 from both sides. Cancel on this side. We're left with negative 10 on the right-hand side. Negative 12y minus 3y is negative 15y. Divide both sides by 15. We get y equals 10/15 because two negatives make a positive. And that ends up being y equals 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 2/3. And then we'll substitute that into our second equation. X equals negative 3 times 2/3 plus 5, which equals negative 6/3 plus 5, which equals negative 2 plus 5, which equals 3. So our solution to the system of equations 4x minus 3y equals 10 and x plus 3y equals 5 is 3/2. And again, verify by plugging in and substituting into both equations to verify that they're true, and or graph to algebraically solve. Now in number 3, we're given a word problem, and we're told that Amy and Lizzie made $134 from their lemonade stand. Because Amy was working alone one day, she gets to keep $30 more than Lizzie. How much did each of them make? So if we let A equal the amount that Amy made and L equal the amount that Lizzie made, we know that A plus L equals 134. And we also know that Amy made $30 more than Lizzie. So A equals L plus 30. So since we already solved for the amount that Amy made in terms of L, we'll go ahead and substitute for A into the first equation. So L plus 30 plus L equals 134. So 2L plus 30 equals 134. So subtract 30 from both sides. 2L equals 104. Divide both sides by 2. And L equals 52. So then substitute that into our second equation. A equals 52 plus 30. So that equals 82. So Amy made $82 and Lizzie made $52. Now those do add up to 134, and the amount that Amy made is $30 more than the amount Lizzie made, so we know that this solution is correct.